It's been part of Michelin Guide for like 3 years consecutively. So it's here in Chinatown. This one, I think it's good for you. Hindi ka naman malakas kumain. But kasi ang dami niya. Ang dami niya naman talaga. Sawa ka. This is the basic nila. But they have the prawns and all. But yan. Ito talaga yung pinupunta na ako sa uli. So, okay. We're just finished eating. So, highly recommended ang Lai Fong Lala noodles. So, yung Lala kasi, siya yung tahong. Marami nagbebenta ng Lala dito. But, yeah, masarap talaga siya, no? And worth trying.
Simot sarap.
Simot sarap.